Hello, welcome back my YouTube channel. Let's see how to create and verify the IC Market demo and real trading account in today's video. First, come to IC Market site and click open an account. First step should be completed here. First, you have to fill personal details. Select your country and enter first name, last name, email address and phone number. Now click next. Here, first select the account type. I select individually. Enter your birthday and address below. Now turn on the checkbox below and click next. Now select the trading platform you want. There is MT4, MT5 or CTrader and select the account type. I click registered. Now select the base currency you want and do next. This step is very important. Now step security question and its answer. This is important when you need to recover the account. Now come down here and read this and agree. Submit now. Now additional information should be filled. This is about employment and income. First, select employment status. I click self-employment. Now select the investment amount and interest purpose and nature of transaction. Also select the annual income and estimated income. Now do next. Information about trading knowledge and experience should be filled here. Select this as you want and submit. Now documents can be uploaded. It is very important and upload and verify document. Click on government photo ID. Upload clear photo of passport, national ID or driving license here. PFT, GIF, DOC, JPG and JPG file type can be uploaded here. Also the maximum file size is 12 megabytes. Utility bill, phone and internet bill or bank statement can be uploaded under proof of residence. Now click on account. Here is the temporary account. Now let's see how to create the demo account. Click demo account and click open new demo account. Here select the trading platform, account type, currency, leverage and deposit amount and click proceed. Now you can create another real trading account if you want. The demo account has been created in the demo account option. Transaction history contains all transactions including deposit withdrawal. Now let's see how to deposit. Click deposit here and select the deposit method. Now proceed to the trading account to be deposit and the deposit amount. Then you can log in into your wallet and deposit. Now you need to download the platform to trade. You can download it Web Trader, Windows, Apple Mac, iPhone and Android software as needed. Your username and password to login in this platform has been received as an email. Read all the things to talk about IC markets. Trend regulation from me to be a profitable trader. Good luck.